So guys, we are on Google. Click on search box and search for Giphy, Giphy. Then click on the first option. Now we need to log in. So click on login. Then sign up. Just register with your email address. It will not ask for anything extra. Then verify that you are not robot. Then click on sign up. After this step, you will get an email from this site and they will send you a password and you need to put this password back to the site. Then click on submit. Now we are done. Now log in with your username and password. Now we can upload either by clicking on the middle upload button or on the top right side upload button. Now click on choose file to select your file, or at the bottom we can use a YouTube URL or YouTube link. So here is our video. Just click on continue to upload. Then to trim the video, click on those dot buttons, then trim. Now left click, then drag and choose the part which part you want to convert into GIF. To crop the video, just click on the crop button, then left click on the corner and resize, or there is some preset as you can see, a square. Now drag. When you are done, just click on done. Now to add caption, just click on the dot, then captions, add captions. Let's enter Rome. Drag and drop. Stroke. Size. When you are done, just click on done. So our video is finished. Now just click on upload to Giphy. So our video is done. We can click on add to collection to add the video on our Giphy profile collection. To save the GIF or GIF, just right click, save as, then save where you want to save it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.